Hi, and welcome to this video that shows you how to edit the end text that shows up when you animate and save a video. Let's see what we're talking about first. So we'll animate and save the video. And as the animation completes, you'll see the end text coming up. There it is, and just for now, note how wide it is. We'll dismiss these two dialog boxes because we're not interested in actually saving it this time. Okay, so to edit the end text, we need to toggle the editing panes on and choose the edit text one. Now the animation end text is actually up here on the background layer and hidden in behind one of the frames on the background layer. So in order to select it, there's a special button here, select animation end text, and all the library templates have animation end text. So it's just a case of clicking the button, and the dialog box tells us it's switching the working layer to the background one because that's where the text is. And we can see it's selected now, but we can't actually see the text because it's hidden in behind one of the frames. And if I just quickly rotate it, you see it coming into view there. But to properly work on it, we'll just bring it to the front, and we can now see it. Can't see it very clearly because of its color, so let's just drag it off to one side. Now in order to edit it, the first thing we need to do is to copy all the attributes for that text, and the ones that are being copied are shown here, and we copy them with that button. And we can see the text has been copied in here, the color, the font size, etc., etc. Now I did tell you to look out for the width of that end text, and the final width is defined by the width that's set here, and you can change that either by changing it here and applying it, or you can do it by stretching to get the width that you want. Obviously that's too wide. The actual width that you'll want depends upon how much text you've got, so it nicely fills the final graphic. So let's first of all just shorten the amount of text that's shown there, and we apply that to the selected text, and there we see the edit has been made. If we want to change the color, here's our color chooser or color picker, and we could change that to quite a grotesque green. And having changed it, apply it to the selected text, and that first click deselected the color chooser, and the second click will now apply it. Okay, so having made the changes that we want, we put it back, and I find that placing it up the top in the center is best. And as I said, the final width of the animated text is set by the width shown here. So let's now just send it to the back so that we don't see it while the animation is taking place. We'll show all layers so we can see the animation progress. And we could click somewhere to deselect the text, but it won't actually make a difference to the animation that gets saved. So now let's watch the animation again so that we can see the end text. And there it is. So that is how you edit the animated end text. Nothing more to say here, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.